For the closing, Dr. Willie Ko, Director of NTU's Research Integrity and Ethics Office, will say a few words. Dr. Ko, please.
Okay, thank you very much. So thank you all for sticking around till the very end. Glad to see there's still some people around in the auditorium. I've learned a lot today. As you can see, open research is a complex issue. It's multi-dimensional, multifaceted. So just in the audience today, we have people from the 6 universities and the 3 healthcare clusters representing both institutional management as well as the research performers. We also have people from the funding agencies, from NRF, A*STAR, MOE, MOH. We also have publishers in attendance. I think we've got Springer Nature, Taylor and Francis, we've got PLOS, we've got MDPI, and of course we've got Clarivet. So I just want to thank you all for coming. And then going forward, hopefully we can try to foster an open research community. Next, I just want to thank the speakers for sharing your expertise. I think this will help to further spur further discussions on this topic. Then finally, I just want to thank the organizing team. There's 10 of us. Great job in organizing today's event. Okay, thank you all. Okay, so now I just want to say that this is the inaugural conference on open research. So of course, then we want to plan for the next round. It's not likely to be next year because it's just so much we can talk about open research. So probably in 2 years' time. And because we already formed this local community, hopefully we can then truly batch this as a Singapore conference, which means it's not organized just by NTU. Hopefully it'll be co-organized by the other local institutions as well. So hopefully the NUS, A*STAR can come on board. And definitely if the funding agencies can come on board and co-drive this effort, I think that would be very good. So yeah, please, in 2 years' time, we will come knocking on your doors. Okay, very good. I'll come and look for you. Okay, then with that, I shall stop talking and then we can close this conference. Okay, thank you all very much.
Thank you, Dr. Willie Ko. We have now come to the end of the conference. There's an online feedback form on Slido, and we'll be grateful if you can give us your feedback on this event. Once again, we would like to thank the guests of honor and all the speakers for their inspiring talks. And thank you very much to everyone in this LT for attending this conference. Have a great evening ahead.